Today marks 2 years since the Santa Clara County Health Department announced its first detected COVID infection. The battle against the virus is still ongoing as frontline healthcare workers face a COVID vaccination deadline Tuesday. As that looms, health officials today outlined revised testing guidelines. KTVU South Bay reporter Jesse Gary has this story.
2 years ago to the day, Santa Clara County's battle against the COVID-19 pandemic officially began. And it still continues.
And we're now in the midst of Omicron.
Monday morning, County Health Officer Dr. Clara County saying 83% of all county residents are vaccinated and over 90% of eligible persons have gotten the medication. As a result, the current case count has dropped by about half.
So this has given our community a tremendous level of protection, and it has buffered many of the harms from COVID.
Cody says in the coming months, the county will transition away from mass testing and vaccination, leaving such actions to private healthcare providers. The county has previously complained government is bearing an unfair portion of the burden when it comes to testing. Officials say the county serves 15% of the population, but conducts 20% of COVID tests. Kaiser serves about 30% of patients, but does only 12% of the testing. And the Palo Alto Medical Foundation serves 16.5% of county residents, but only does a little over 2% of testing. County Counsel James Williams says warning letters have been sent after officials received complaints about a lack of adequate testing.
And to really ensure that we're building a long-term sustainable infrastructure where those in our community can get timely and appropriate access to COVID testing.
The county tweaked existing guidelines for private providers. For example, now mandating tests must be performed within 24 hours of receiving a request, and that antigen and PCR tests may now be used.
It is very important to us that residents in our community have access to basic primary care that they deserve and need.
Sutter Health has previously said we have increased our overall testing capacity, and Kaiser has said we object to any suggestion that our frontline healthcare workers are not doing their fair share. Tuesday sees a deadline for frontline county healthcare and emergency workers to receive COVID vaccination. County health officials say they've reached out to the various agencies and are, quote, confident they're on top of the situation. Discipline for those refusing to get vaxxed up is at the discretion of each individual agency. In San Jose, Jesse Gary, KTVU, Fox 2 News.